Hey guys, RJ here from RJ Tech Reviews. Kung naghahanap ka ng portable wireless speaker na maliit pero malakas ang tunog, may ilaw at may app control pa, eto na yon. Ito ang Tribit Stormbox Mini Plus, ang speaker na pang all around, pang music trip, pang camping, pang party o kahit pang chill lang sa kwarto. Meron siyang 2,600 mAh battery capacity at 12 hours na playtime, kaya hindi ka mabibitin sa tugtugan. May 2x6W superior sound na sobrang linaw at punchy ang bass. Meron pa siyang rhythmic lights na sumasabay sa beat panalo sa vibe. Sa Tribit app, pwede mo i-customize ang equalizer, ikaw ang bahala sa tunog. May hands-free calling din, kaya kahit may tumawag habang nakikinig ka ng music, sagot agad. At gamit ang Bluetooth 5.4, mabilis at stable ang connection. Pwede mo rin siyang i-stereo pair sa isa pang Stormbox Mini Plus para mas solid ang sound coverage. Ang build, mukhang matibay at premium talaga. IPX7 waterproof, so kahit mabasa, no problem. Perfect sa outdoor trips. Sa harap, nandito ang volume down, play pause at volume up buttons. Sa likod naman, andyan ang power button, Bluetooth button at light mode button. May USB Type-C charging port at AUX cord port na pwede mong gamitan kung gusto mong mag-connect ng mic or wired device. So, ayan na. Ready na ba kayo? Tara, soundcheck na natin. Let's go!
Break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest. Put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening? Tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just hold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression. Discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11, it's time for progression. Oh! You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Sobrang linaw ng tunog, malakas na, malinaw pa, kahit nasa outdoor ka. Sulit na sulit lalo na sa presyo. May ilaw na waterproof pa at pwede pang i-customize ang sound. Kung gusto mo ng portable speaker na may style at performance, Tribit Stormbox Mini Plus ang sagot. At huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe para updated kayo sa ating mga susunod na videos. Maraming salamat. Peace!